Hello. Hello YouTube. Hello. Hello everybody. Today I'm doing a pretty chill video. Today is it's kind of a quiet day, a relaxing day here in the garden, and I wanted to show you this basil I bought yesterday. So this basil is already pruned. So the basil had a little bit of a larger stem, right, with like four other leaves, and I cut it right in the new in this bifurcation, so to speak, in this in the place where new leaves are coming out, kind of perpendicular, maybe, perpendicular to this new stem. And this I have seen in YouTube, in other YouTube channels, that this will make the basil grow kind of like a bush, kind of sideways, right, and not upwards. And it will also delay its what do you call when the flowers bloom. It will delay the blooming, which in turns will avoid, or while the blooming stops, further growing. And but I was lucky enough to have two basils in the same plant, so to speak. I bought a little basil, and there were two plants, and I have this one. You can see this. It's a smaller pot, but this will not be pruned. This will just be, left to grow, and it will flower, and it will help maybe some pollinators. I'm not sure about basil, but this will be untouched, completely untouched. And this, I have no idea what it is. My grandmother planted some trees here. Maybe we have another tree here, and yeah, that's about it today. I was watching some TV, some anime, just relaxing. And in another topic, we have this bush here. This was gifted by my mother, and it's growing really fast, real fast. It was like till here when I got it, like a week ago or 2 weeks ago maybe, and it's growing really fast. So yeah, this video is kind of in the line of thought, in which I would like to have some kind of historical developments here in the garden, so to speak. Videos in which we'll see plants and trees grow and bushes grow. And I don't think I'll edit much my videos. I'm not an editor. I have too much on my plate already. Maybe if anyone is interested, I might tell you about me, and about what I do, about work, and other things. Um, so yeah. Um, what else would you like me to speak about? What else would I like to speak about? I think that's it for now. I think at the moment I'm very interested in plant kind of microenvironments. You know, let me show you this, for example. This is a very simple. Look at that. Can, can you, can you see it? There? I'm gonna try to zoom in into this little lizard over there. He gonna say hi to me, and he's gonna try right now. So I'm not gonna be bothering him. But as I was saying, this is kind of a hint. English is not my first language; it's not my native, so I'm gonna I'm gonna do my best. But yeah. So this is a kind of a beautiful bush I have here. This is rosemary, I believe it's called. We call them romeros, and I'm really uh, what is, I'm really interested, for lack of a better word, in microenvironments and kind of the beauty of a of nature, you know, something that is uh, always around us, and it's so pretty. I'm trying to appreciate it. So yeah,